fine of how much it's 100,000 rupiah if you are not wearing a mask. Gate to the ocean. Extremely good visibility today. And it's 15 meters below me. People have been asking me how to make underwater rings. So there's a really simple movement. So first of all, you make with the knuckles together, right? So let's put two fists together. Then take your regulator out, blow the air between the fingers, and then the movement is like this: out and then break it. So it makes a turbulence and it makes a ring. Then if you want to make a small ring, so with the thumbs, then again blow the air between the thumbs and then just do like bum, like that, bum, and that will be small ring like that size. And another one is if you don't want to take the regulator out of the mouse, so then you just turn your head so the bubble's going up, and then you with the palm just move the air down so it breaks in a smaller bubbles, and then you do the same movement. Or you can do like this as well, like opposite, like that.